This is an interesting question that I wish someone had asked me much earlier in my career. Do you command respect or demand it? Most people don't even realize that those two things are different, but they are vastly. So let's dissect the two. Demanding respect is telling people to take you seriously. It's often based in insecurity, and it shows up as over-explaining your value, leading with credentials instead of confident credibility, and feeling defensive when people question you. Commanding respect, on the other hand, is silent power. It's when people choose to trust your authority because you show up, and when you do, you are clear, composed, and competent. And we need to remember that effective networking isn't about pitching even though you're going to give a pitch, or proving yourself even though this is where you flaunt your social proof. Networking is about showing up as someone that others want to refer to and partner with. It's a desire to collaborate. And partner is a big word in that equation. If you demand respect at networking, chances are you won't get any, because everyone there has shown up for the same reason, and they can spot what your angle is a mile away. But when you command respect, it works in your favor. When you listen more than you talk, when you show up consistently in your systems and your follow-through, and when you speak about your work with clarity, not clutter. Networking isn't about impressing, it's about aligning. At Maven, we help build systems that reflect your expertise, because systems are how you command respect at scale. People may meet you once, but your systems introduce you over and over again. Download the Are You Maven Ready checklist and watch our video number 16 for more on the power of silence. We'd love you to subscribe for more 4-minute Maven mindset shifts. And if you've got another 4 minutes, you guessed it, we've got another video. Up next, the wrong train, the bookkeeping business you didn't mean to build. That sounds intriguing. We'll see you there.